Okay, don't hate me. I'm just gonna come out and say it. I want us to be more than friends.
You'll snap out of it.
Don't do that. Discount my feelings.
I'm not friend material, let alone more than friend material.
Generic looks. Thinking of you run away to sell me Venus mediocrity. That is the best revenge.